Hi, hello, welcome to Veg Wonders. Hope you are all doing good. Today we will be seeing a special dish with raw mango, an authentic dish. Especially it's my granny's dish which we love to eat with idli, dosa or rice. It goes very well with curd rice. It is just very simple, only with 3 to 4 ingredients, that's all. So let's see how to do it. The needed ingredients are mangoes, raw mangoes. You can take the bigger one also. I have taken the smaller one here. I have taken 4. Then salt to your taste, chili powder, haldi, and for saute we need mustards and methi. Now let's see how to do it. So first we will be, already I have washed this mangoes and wiped it clean. So now I will be removing this and just peel off the skin. So I have peeled the skin, now we will be grating it. So this mangoes are done. I have grated. Now I will be adding the haldi, chili powder and salt here itself. And just mix it and let this rest for 5 minutes. Okay, we'll keep it aside. So we'll start now. Just add oil. You can take 2 to 3 teaspoons here. I'm adding mustards. And I'm adding fenugreek seeds or methi. This is really good. It cools your body. And because of mango, if your body becomes heat, this will compensate. That's why it's mandated to add here. Okay, now I'm adding this. You can even prepare this in huge quantities. Say for example, big 6 mangoes, something like that. And you can store this in containers. This stays good for a week, at least for a week. So when you do it in huge quantities, you have to add more oil. Preferably if you add gingerly oil, that's so good. I remember my granny used to prepare this and keep it in Horlicks bottle those days. Very tasty. It goes very tasty with plain rice or idli, dosa, chapathi, particularly with curd rice. So I've kept the flame in medium. I'm just mixing it. If you feel you want oil, you can just add it. So this is the stage. See, now the oil is coming out. This is final. Now it's ready for serving. Here's your mango thokku ready. Instant, very quick. Just within 10 minutes you can prepare a good side dish for idli, dosa, chapati or rice. Also it goes well with curd rice. Let's serve it. There is a saying in Tamil that kids generally who hesitate to eat food also will love to eat it if it is served with mango. I think it's really true. Something is given with this kind of thokku, then no words. See how yummy it looks. Just give it a try and let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and do subscribe. Till we meet next time in a different recipe, this is Amrita signing off. Take care. Bye bye.